Hey folks, it's Jerry from York River Cannabis, and today we'll be reviewing Impact Implement's 6-tine cultivator with a Polaris Sportsman 570 EFI and the one lift system from Impact Implements. So first, let's go over the 6-tine cultivator. It is by far my favorite piece of equipment that Impact Implements sells that we have purchased. It does pretty much everything that you need it to do. If you're doing a food plot, if you're doing a large garden, a small field, this thing will rip up the dirt. It'll give you enough loose soil to work with it. So we're going to take this thing over to the field. We're going to do a whole new row for our hemp grow. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it works. All right, so we've hooked up the 6-tine cultivator to the ATV in the 1-point lift system. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to drop this down to your desired length. So once you do that, there's 2 nuts on the 1-point lift system where you can lock in place that position that you want. So what you're going to do is once you're in that desired position, if you have a Polaris, I'm not sure about other brands, so bear with me on that. With the Polaris, factory recommends if you're going to do stuff like this, you're going to want to be in low gear and you're going to want to be in 4x4. So we're going to get ready to use this. All right, let's take it for a rip, see how it does. Well folks, that's Impact Implement's 6-tine cultivator at work. Hopefully this helps you make your decision on what you'd like to purchase for your ATV and what fits your needs. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel to see more reviews. We'll have more reviews coming up on other Impact Implement stuff. Until next time, we'll see you around.